Welcome to our channel. Today we how to check available credit on Discover Card account monitoring step by step clearly. To check available credit on your Discover Card, start by visiting the official Discover website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you haven't registered yet, click on the register button to set up your account. After logging in, navigate to the account overview section of your dashboard. Here, you will see a summary of your account details. Locate the section labeled Available Credit. This section displays the amount of credit you have available to use. If you prefer to use the mobile app, open the Discover app on your smartphone. Log in with your account credentials. Once logged in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. You will find your available credit information displayed there. For additional details, you can check your latest transactions to see recent purchases. Regularly monitoring your available credit can help you manage your spending effectively. Make it a habit to check your credit status before making large purchases. This will ensure you stay within your credit limit. Always ensure your contact information is up to date for account alerts. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Discover customer service for assistance. Staying informed about your credit limits is key to maintaining financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.